No gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so we are doing Dollar General all digital 5 off of 25 scenarios. Okay, so this is our first all digital scenario that we're going to do today. Well, not today, but anyway, we're going to get the Unstoppable Febreze. That's they're going to be $4. We're going to get the $2 off Lysol. We also going to get two of the $5 for 1 minute Febreze one product. It is some clearance ones out there, but I'm just getting the regular price ones just to be on the safe side. You're gonna need the Scrub and Bubble $2 product. We're gonna use that 4 off of 2 for the Unstoppable Febreze, the 50 cent for the Lysol, the 5 off of 2 for the Febreze 1, the 50 cent for the Scrub and Bubbles. We also need to get Always Discreet. We're gonna use that $2 digital for that. You're also gonna need your 5 off of 25, and you're gonna need your $2 off of 12 for this transaction. Okay, so here's the breakdown for this transaction. So with the two Febreze Unstoppables, the two Febreze One products, the Always Discreet, the dollar off for the Lysol, I mean not dollar off, one Lysol spray, the Scrub and Bubble toilet bowl cleaner. We clip in the 5 off of 25, the 2 off of 12 for the Febreze products, that's a Dollar General, the $5 off of 2 for the Febreze 1 product, the 50 cent off the Scrub and Bubbles, the 50 cent off the Lysol, the 4 off of 2 for the Febreze Unstoppable, and the $2 off for the Always Discreet. All these items gonna equal up to $25. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20. The $2 off of 12 for the Febreze products gonna come off, make it $18. The 4 off of 2 for the Febreze Unstoppable gonna make it $14. The 5 off for 2 for the Febreze one product is gonna make it $9. The $2 off the Always Discreet gonna make it $7. The 50 cent off of the Lysol gonna make it $6.50, and the 50 cent off of the Scrub and Bubbles gonna make it $6. $6 for 7 items, making each item only 87 cents. Now I'm doing a favor for a lot of people, because a lot of people say, can I not use the big razor in all my scenarios? So I'm not going to use that big razor, because a lot of people say that they do not have it on their digital. So I'm going to try my best not to use the big razor on these scenarios. So I feel like this is a great scenario right here. You got air freshener, cleaning products, and some of everything. So let's get to the next scenario. All right, so this is for scenario 2 that we are going to do well, not today. I don't know why I keep saying today, but the coupons and the items that we are getting, we are going to get the Game Mr. Clean Original Scent. That is 40 ounces, the floor cleaner. We're going to get 3 of those Gain dish detergent, 21 ounces. The Gain scented Swiffer refills, the Aleve back and muscles, the Swiffer Gain starter kit, the duster, and a Gain detergent original scent. Okay, the coupons that we're going to be clipping is the $3 off for the Aleve, the $2 off for the Swiffer refill, the dollar off of 3 for the Gain, the 50 cent off for the Mr. Clean, that 5 off of 20 for the Gain products, the 5 off of 25, and the dollar off for the Gain laundry products, and that $2 off for the Swiffer duster. Okay, so the items that we are getting our Gain detergent, the Swiffer refill Gain scented, the Swiffer duster Gain scented, the 3 Gain dish detergent, the Mr. Clean 40-ounce Gain original scent, and the Aleve back and muscles. The coupons that we clip, I already said it before, I won't repeat it. The 5 off of 25, the 5 off of 20 for the Gain, the $3 off for the Aleve, the dollar off of 3 for the Gain dish detergent, the $2 off for the Swiffer refill, the $2 off for the Swiffer starter kit, the dollar off for the Gain laundry products, and the 50 cent off for the Mr. Clean products. All of that gonna equal up to $26.20. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $21.20. The 5 off of 20 gonna come off for the Gain product, make it $16.20. $2 gonna come off for the Swiffer refill, make it $14.20. $2 gonna come off for the Swiffer starter kit, make it $12.20. A dollar gonna come off for that dollar off for 3 for the Gain dish detergent, make it $11.20. 50 cent gonna come off for the Mr. Clean, make it $10.70. A dollar gonna come off for the Gain laundry product, make it $9.70. $3 gonna come off for the Aleve back and muscle, make it $6.70. $6.70 for 8 items, making each item only 86 cents. I'm sorry, 83 cents. So I hope you like this deal. And hopefully this deal will work as usual. Most of the Gain deal is an experiment deal. So I hope this will work. So let's get to the next deal. Now for our third auditional scenario, we are going to try to do a baby deal. Okay. So what you the baby items that we are getting is we're gonna get the wipes, the Huggies wipes, that's $2, and the Huggy diapers, that's $8.50. We also want to get 2 of those Chic razors, that's $4.50 each. The Advil back and muscle, that is $4.25. And then we're going to get 2 of those Easter candies. You can get the M&Ms, the Sneaker, or the Tricks, but it have to be the Easter candy. Okay, we're going to use the $3 off for the Advil coupon. There's 7 off of 2 for the Chic razors. The $2 off for the Huggy diapers. The 50 cent off for the Huggy wipes. And our 5 off of 25. Now, you can use the paper version of that Chic razor coupon, but I just want to keep this all digital. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, so like I said before, we're going to clip that 5 off of 25, the $2 off for the Huggies, the BOGO coupon for the Easter candy, the 50 cent off for the Huggy wipes, the 7 off of 2 for the for the Chic razor, and the $3 off for the Aleve back and muscles. For all those items that we had, I just stated, it's going to be $25.45. That 5 off of 25 going to come off, make it $20.45. The $3 going to come off for the back and muscles, make it $17.45. $2 going to come off for the Huggy diapers, make it $15.45. 50 cent going to come off for the white Huggy wipes, make it $14.95. $7 gonna come off for those 2 Chic disposable razors, make it $7.95, and 85 cents gonna come off for the Easter BOGO candy, make it $7.10 for 7 items, making each item only $1.01, which I feel like is amazing. Now you can make this even lower if you, instead of using the additional $7 off of 2, if you use 2 of those $4 off coupons instead, your total will actually be $5.10. But I wanted to keep this all digital, so that's the reason why I chose to use the digital coupon. So I hope you understand. So let's get to our next deal. Okay, so now we're doing our all digital scenario number 4. Okay, so what we're gonna need, we're gonna get a Bounty paper towels, which is $5.75. The Charmin tissue, which is $5.25. 2 of the Chic razor, which is $4.50 each. The Gatorade, which is $1. And the Advil back and muscles, which is $3. We're going to use the dollar off coupon for the Bounty and the Charmin. The 7 off of 2 for the razor. The 25 cent for the Gatorade. And the $5 off coupon that we need for our 5 off of 25. So yes, these was wonderful deals that we are able to come up with. Okay, so for this scenario, we're gonna get one Charmin, one Bounty, one Advil, back and Mosa, and two of the Chic disposable razor and a Gatorade. We're going to clip our 5 off of 25, our dollar off for the Bounty, our 25 cents for the Gatorade, our $3 off for the Advil back and muscles, our dollar off for the Charmin, and our 7 off of 2 for the Chic razor. Our total going to equal up to $25.25. Our 5 off of 25 going to come on, make it $20.25. A dollar going to come off for the Charmin, make it $19.25. A dollar going to come off for the Bounty, make it $18.25. $3 going to come off for the Aleve, make it $15.25. $7 going to come off for the Chic razor, make it $8.25. And 25 cents going to come off for the Gatorade, make it $8 for 6 items, making each item only $1.33, which I feel like is an amazing deal. Okay, so this is our fifth all digital scenario, our last one. Okay, so the coupons that and the items that you will be getting, we're gonna get that per sale. Cause I did not see a Tide coupon, so let me know if y'all have one. Okay, a new one, not the exclusive one. But anyway, we're gonna have to we need that per sale. That's $3. The Aleve back and muscle $4.25. The two of the Febreze one, they $5 a piece. Two of the Febreze Unstoppable, they $4 a piece. We're gonna clip that $1.50 for the per sale. For the Purex, the $3 off for the Aleve, the $5 off for two for the one on Febreze, and the $4 off for two for the Febreze Unstoppable, and the two off for 12, and the $5 off for 25. Okay, so again, I already told you what we need to clip, but I repeat it anyway. We're going to clip that 5 off of 25, that 2 off of 12 for the Febreze, that $1.50 for the Purex, that $3 off for the Aleve back and muscle, the 5 off of 2 for the Febreze one, the 4 off of 2 for the Unstoppable. Okay, so all of that gonna equal up to $25.25. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20.25. The 2 off of 12 for the Febreze gonna come off, make it $18.25. The 4 off of 2 for the Febreze Unstoppable gonna come off, make it $4.25. The $5 gonna come off for the 5 off of 2 Febreze one product, make it $9.25. The $3 gonna come off for the Aleve back and muscles, make it $6.25. The $1.50 gonna come off for the Purex detergent, make it $4.75 for 6 items, making each item only 79 cents. Now I tried my best not to use the old coupons. I use mostly newer coupons that everyone should have. So I didn't use none of the exclusive coupons. I didn't use the big coupons. So you should be able to mix and match. You do not have to follow my scenarios. So thank you, Team Shorties, all my shorties that stuck with me. I'm going to bed, yes. But please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And we're going to be doing an in-store video on Saturday. Bye.